rest of the 99%. Fight your battles just to pay the rent. It's an automation infestation. It's the corporation disguise. You know, all you got to do is open up your eyes. Don't you know? All you've got to do is open up your eyes. On the move again, on the move, and the sheep are gonna lose again, gonna lose again. You're gonna lose, and the sheep are you and me. If we let them lead us, don't let them lead us and bleed us out. And the sheep are on the move again, on the move again. You're on the move again, and the sheep are on the move again, on the move again, on the move again, on the move. And the sheep are gonna lose again, gonna lose again. You're gonna lose, you're gonna lose. The sheep are you and me. Let them lead us, don't let them lead us and bleed us out. And the sheep are on the move again, on the move again. You're on the move again. On your knees, hands above your head. Didn't you know? Didn't you know? One wrong move and we're all dead. Didn't you know? Didn't you know? No more breathing for the innocent. Let him go, let him go. One wrong move and we're all dead. Didn't you know? Didn't you know? Don't let them lead, and the sheep are on the move again, on the move again, on the move again. And the sheep are gonna lose again. You're gonna lose again. You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose. And the sheep are you and me. If we let them lead us, don't let them lead us and bleed us out. And the sheep are on the move again, on the move again. You're on the move again. On your knees, hands above your head. Didn't you know? Didn't you know? One wrong move and we're all dead. Didn't you know? Didn't you know? No more breathing for the innocent. Who let him go? Who let him go? One wrong move and we're all dead. Didn't you know? Didn't you know? No more breathing for the weekend. I use it up, I use it up. score. I just want to rip your cord out, break every little vein. You must think I'm so insane. Oh, 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 oh. Where do I start? Yeah, oh, 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 oh. It's in art, tearing everything apart. Look out, here I am, blowing through domain like a wrecking hurricane. All eyes up, but you won't know my name. Yeah, look out, here I am, going through domain like a mother-loving train. All eyes up, you won't know my name. Yeah, look out, here I am, going through domain like a wrecking hurricane. All eyes up, you won't know my name. Yeah, look out, here I am, blowing through domain like a wrecking hurricane. All eyes up, you will know my name. Yeah, you will know my name. All eyes up, you will know my name. Yeah, you will know my name. This moment's filling the score, and I just want to rip your cord out, break every little vein. You must think I'm so insane. Oh, 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 oh. Where do I start? Yeah, oh, 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 oh. It's in art, tearing everything apart. Look out, here I am, going through your brain like a mother-loving train. All eyes up, but you won't know my name. Yeah, look out, here I am, blowing through domain like a wrecking hurricane. All eyes up, you won't know my name. Yeah, look out, here I am, blowing through your brain like a mother-loving train. All eyes up, you will know my name. You will know my name. Yeah, you will know my name. All eyes up, you will know my name. Yeah, you will know my name. Hey, next 2018, are we ready for day 2? Woo! Please welcome the CMO of Google Cloud, Allison Wagenfeld.
Good morning, everyone. Woo! Welcome to day 2 of Google Cloud Next. Welcome to the thousands of you here at Moscone and San Francisco, and hello to all of the thousands of you on live stream. How many of you were here yesterday? Yes, woo! Wasn't it cool? In addition to all of the great keynotes and breakouts, I loved wandering around the show floor, talking to all of our partners, visiting all of the hands-on exhibits. I head up marketing for Google Cloud, and it was particularly fun to stop by the NCAA exhibit. Did you see our ads during March Madness this year? Weren't they?
And thank you for your time.
Thank you, Injung. Wow, what a morning. I must admit that the one downside of being backstage is I didn't get to fully appreciate seeing Ajay Scooter. But the upside is that I did get to hear about all of the great technology that we talked about, and I loved hearing about how Gojek is working with Google Maps and Cloud. As I wrap up for the day, I want to share a few areas that really struck me while listening this morning. Garrick mentioned that Drive is on track to cross over 1 billion users in the coming weeks. That means that 1/8 of the world's population is using Drive, and it makes it Google's 8th billion user application. I know I speak on behalf of all Googlers when I say that we are humbled by the opportunity to build technology for so many people. It is truly a privilege. And Rajan talked about our new AutoML technology. I can't tell you how many Googlers, including many on the marketing team, have been playing with the AutoML product by simply taking a few dozen photos on their smartphones and training a model. The latest one I saw was for cheese. Who knew that ML is better than most people in differentiating brie from camembert? And it was great to get product updates from Eyal and Brad. I'm always blown away by how quickly our GCP teams have been launching new products. And finally, Injung painted a picture of what it means to add intelligence to everything. When he was rehearsing a few days ago, I couldn't stop peppering him with questions. I really wanted to understand what it means to have chips smaller than a penny on so many things in the world. As I said, that was quite a morning. But the day is just beginning. We are in for a treat during our lunchtime keynote here on stage with the two 2017 Turing Award winners, Alphabet Chair John Hennessy and Google Distinguished Engineer David Patterson. They'll be interviewed right here at 12:30 by Diane. And then this afternoon, we have our second customer innovation keynote, also on the main stage, with mini TED-style talks by tech leaders who will be sharing their own cloud journeys. I'm so appreciative of all the customer speakers we have here, sharing their stories. This is what the conference is all about. It's why we do this. It's for you to learn from each other. As you wander around, I hope you'll stop to ask questions, share your challenges, and of course, share best practices. We have thousands of Googlers here today, members of our dev teams. Please look for them, and please give us your suggestions. That's why they're here, is to interact with all of you. Our theme for next is Made Here Together. We truly believe that we'll all be better by working together. We're excited and motivated to build the cloud together with you. Thank you for your time. And this concludes the morning keynotes for Google Cloud Next. And I really appreciate all of you listening in on live stream. Thank you.
Hi, and welcome back to day 2 of Next 18. You just heard our main keynote, Bringing the Cloud to You. Thanks for joining us. I'm Rhoda Meyer.
And I'm Stephanie Wong. We have a full day of programming ahead for you, including showcases from AI, industry solutions, data analytics, security, and more. Make sure to join the conversation across all social media platforms using the hashtag GoogleNext18.
But before we dive in to discuss all of the exciting announcements shared this morning, here's what's happening on the next live show. On this channel, we'll have a spotlight session on transform work, driving culture change, productivity, and efficiency. A fireside chat with 2 pioneers of computer architecture, John Hennessy, chairman of Alphabet, and David Patterson, distinguished Google engineer. Our Google Cloud Customer Innovation Series continues with tech and business leaders, a spotlight session on rethinking big data analytics with Google Cloud, as well as Cloud AI, how to get started injecting AI into your applications.
And over on the featured Spotlight Sessions channel, we have spotlight sessions on adding intelligence and agility, applying artificial intelligence, security trust for Google Cloud, cloud native development with SAP, Google Cloud's IoT vision.
Now let's get to the recap of this morning's main keynote. Joining us now is Greg Wilson, developer.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We'll have a lot more of our showcase coming up on later in the show. The first spotlight sessions of the day will begin shortly. Stick around afterwards for more Next Live. We'll see you then.
Good morning. Please welcome David Thacker.
Good morning, everyone. My name is David Thacker. I'm the VP of Product Management at Google, and very excited to have you all here today. Thank you for your time. Hopefully you enjoyed the keynote sessions this morning. Our teams have been really hard at work this last year building new product innovations into G Suite, and as you saw in the keynotes, product lead. So I'll leave this up here. Highly encourage you, if you want to learn more about any of these products, go to these sessions. You'll learn quite a bit. And then tomorrow at 11:40, we will recap what's next for G Suite. We'll cover everything that was covered in these sessions. But thank you very much today, and thank you to our customers again for coming to share your stories with us. But I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference. Thank you all.
Welcome back to the Next Live show. We're here with one of my friends and colleagues, Eric Schmidt. Eric is a technical program manager for Google Cloud. Thanks for joining us, Eric.
Thanks, Rito.
Check out, and this is an open source project, so anybody can get involved in GitHub.
All right. Thank you very much, Daniel. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Thank you to our hardworking showcase team for sharing all these interesting product demos with us. Okay, coming up on the Next Live show, we have a very special discussion with Turing Award winners John Hennessy, the chairman of Alphabet, and David Patterson, distinguished engineer at Google. You don't want to miss that. And on the other channel, we have Applying Artificial Intelligence with featured speakers from Accenture. Stay tuned.
Please welcome Diane Green.
You look like you. Hi, everybody. A lot of us have been so looking forward to this fireside with these two amazing people. And I will quickly introduce John and Dave, who everybody knows who they are. But just to remind you, John Hennessy, who's now the chairman of Alphabet, and Dave Patterson, who's now a distinguished engineer at Google.
Material online. I think that's an important way to get material out there. And I think if you look historically, many institutions, as they grew, used material initially from other institutions, more well-established institutions. It's a way to bootstrap, and I think it's a great idea.
I think we are actually out of time. I see the zeros. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Diane. Thank you all.
Yeah.
Good job.
Okay.
All right.
Welcome back to the Next Live Show. I'm here with Dave Renson, Google SRE Director. Thanks for joining us, Dave.
Thanks for having me, Rado.
Now, you've written a few books on the Thanks, everybody. We look forward to seeing more showcase demos later in the show. Coming up on the Next Live Show channel, the customer keynote continues with a group of business and tech leaders discussing the cloud and its impact on their businesses. And over on the featured Spotlight Sessions channel, we have security and trust for Google Cloud. We'll see you back here after those talks. Stay tuned.
Please welcome President Global Customer Operations, Google Cloud, Paul-Henri Ferrand.
Hello, everyone, and thanks for being with us today. So, as you've probably noticed throughout the conference, there's a huge shift happening. But I contend the shift is not about cloud, and the shift is enabled by the cloud. So a lot of companies today are looking at transforming themselves. Scotiabank and Justin for coming up with an open sourced code called Accelerator. So thank you very much. The Canadians are in the room, so anyway, this is the gist of it. I hope you enjoyed those presentations. I want to thank again our customers. Big round of applause to all of them. And this concludes this customer session. Thank you very much, and have a good rest of the day.
Welcome back to the next live show. I'm Stephanie Wong. One of my favorite moments as a customer engineer is seeing all of the innovative ways our customers are using the cloud to transform how they work. In this next story, we'll see how Twitter's big data needs led them to Google Cloud.
There's lots of different examples. We have things with predictive maintenance. We're building out some stuff with predictive monitoring and other IoT solutions there as well.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for your time. This has been really interesting. Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Yeah, cheers. Thanks.
Some really cool interactive experiences at the showcase zones. All right, it's almost time for your next sessions to begin. Coming up on this channel, a talk on rethinking big data analytics with Google Cloud. And over on the featured Spotlight Sessions channel, Cloud Native Development with SAP. Enjoy the sessions.
I hope I'm not going to bore you too much in this session. We'll keep it exciting. So let's get started with the session. The key thing is most of the folks in the audience are the key thing from me is there's a lot more information on big data that's available on the solution place. Please take a look at that. There are amazing sessions. I highlighted the GIS one the deep dive on clustering and all with the Enterprise Data Warehouse, Beyond Enterprise Data Warehouse by Jordan Tigani. There are a lot of other good sessions on the big data topics in the conference. Please attend them and give us more feedback. Thank you, everybody.
Welcome back to the Next Live Show. I'm Stephanie Wong here at the Equality Lounge. The Equality Lounge is a women-focused, all-gender inclusive drop-in space celebrating our diverse community of builders,
This, what should they do?
Go to Google Cloud /solutions/government, and you can find out about all the different solutions.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thanks, team. We look forward to seeing more of your showcase recording later in the show. Coming up on the Next Live Show channel, we have a session on Cloud AI, how to get started injecting AI into your applications. And head over to the featured Spotlight Sessions channel for Google Cloud's IoT vision. We'll be here with more Next Live during the break. Stay tuned. Vision. We'll be here with more Next Live during the break. Stay tuned.
Please welcome Jia Li.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jia. Here today, I'm talking about how at Cloud AI we're inspired by customer needs.
Does that excite you? What's your, what do you feel about it?
Sure. Well, I've always been more of a practice-oriented philosopher than a theoretician. It's partly why I came around to study these topics.
I didn't know philosophers are all practice.
We do exist. Practice-oriented philosophers do exist. They're maybe a little fewer than they should be, but we're out there. But I've been teaching engineers and computer scientists for over a decade about these issues and teaching working engineers even about how to develop ethical principles and apply them in different professional contexts. Most of my research partners are people who are involved in engineering and computer science as well. So it's an area that I'm very comfortable in. But in general, I also think that if philosophers aren't available to step up when society needs them, then what good are we? So I'm kind of with Plato on that one. Those of you who might have read Plato's Republic, there's this whole thing about when society needs your help, you have to put the book down and step up and do the work. So I'm excited to be part of Google's work now.
Well, I can tell you, we are all excited to be working with you and getting your advice along. Like you said, it's a long-term, it's a long run, and it's a journey we're going to share together. So our time is up, and I don't think there's any better way of ending this session with the very quote that Shannon has inspired me several years ago when I was in the audience listening to one of her talks, is that there's no independent machine values. Machine values are human values. And the technology we create are eventually going to be the technology that's going to impact all of us, our communities, our families and our future generations. And we really want to invite you into this journey to develop benevolent and responsible AI. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome back. I'm Stephanie Wong. I'm here with Mario Ciabarra, founder and CEO of Quantum Metric. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me. It's great to be here.
So let's start at 10,000 feet. What prompted you to start your company?
Ask questions of somebody else, they can help them right away. And by clicking through these articles, the live agent learned that they can't actually process a replacement, but they can process a return. And that's how we're using AI to help out contact centers.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
If customers want to learn more, where should they go?
So they should go to our website. They can sign up for public alpha access right now and hopefully get access to one of our partners that we're working with.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's it for day 2. Tomorrow on the next live show, we kick things off with a developer keynote, Made Here Together. Following the keynote, we invite you to bring your questions to a conversation about imagining the future of cloud with a group of Google's cloud engineering leaders.
That's definitely on my list of must-sees tomorrow. Later in the day, we have sessions on how to use Google SRE and reinventing databases for your journey to the cloud. Make sure to join us tomorrow starting at 8:50 a.m. Pacific for all of that, plus our developer keynote recap and more showcase demos.
We'll see you then. Until then, goodbye from Next 18 in San Francisco, California.